getting hair to be as good as it can be is to keep the scalp in good condition and keep the body in good condition. And so to keep the scalp in good condition, it means keeping these mineral salts away from the base of the hair shaft.
Each morning you try to look your best, you come out of the shower and your hair looks flat and lifeless because, why? You've used this expensive hair care product.
That's bad.
Maybe the culprit isn't what you're using, but it's your water.
Absolutely. It's all because of something called oxidation.
Well, as the founders of the use of vitamin C on the external body, I'm going to use the water right here at the studio and some from up on Arden Way to demonstrate how the water that your viewers are using every day to bathe are affecting their hair, the condition of the hair, whether the hair is breaking, whether they have volume, whether they have flat, limp hair, and show all the different things that can go on with hair.
The same product that you can put on your cereal, you can also put on your hair.
That's exactly right.